1. Which sentence uses the correct verb tense? 1. She go to school. 2. She gone to school. 3. She goes to school. 4. She going school. Correct answer is 3. She goes to school. 2. What is the correct form of this sentence? 1. He don't like tea. 2. He doesn't like tea. 3. He doesn't likes tea. 4. He like not tea. Correct answer is 2. He doesn't like tea. 3. Choose the correct plural of child. 1. Child's. 2. Child's. 3. Children's. 4. Children. Correct answer is 4. Children. 4. Which of the following is a compound sentence? 1. I like tea. 2. I like and coffee. 3. I like tea and coffee. 4. Tea I like. Correct answer is 3. I like tea and coffee. 5. Select the correct use of their. 1. They're going home. 2. Their house is blue. 3. Their house is big. 4. Their house is clean. Correct answer is 3. Their house is big. 6. What is the past tense of run? 1. Ran. 2. Runned. 3. Running. 4. Runs. Correct answer is 1. Ran. 7. Choose the correct question form. 1. Does she like pizza? 2. Do she like pizza? 3. Did she likes pizza? 4. She do like pizza? Correct answer is 1. Does she like pizza? 8. Identify the correct use of its. 1. It's raining outside. 2. It's raining outside. 3. It's raining outside. 4. It raining outside. Correct answer is 1. It's raining outside. 9. Which sentence uses a modal verb? 1. She can swim well. 2. She swim better. 3. She swimming. 4. She has swim. Correct answer is 1. She can swim well. 10. Choose the correct form of the adjective. 1. Smartest. 2. Smarter. 3. More smarter. 4. Most smart. Correct answer is 1. The dog barks loud. Correct answer is 2. Smarter. 11. Select the sentence with subject-verb agreement. 1. The dog barks loud. 2. The dog barks loud. 3. The dog bark loud. 4. The dog barking. (12) Which of these is a complete sentence? 1. Although tired. 2. She slept early. 3. After the party. 4. Being very late. Correct answer is 2. She slept early. 13. Identify the correct form of write. 1. Wrote. 2. Writed. 3. Written. 4. Writes. Correct answer is 1. Wrote. 14. What is the correct reported speech form? 1. He said he was happy. 2. He say he happy. 3. He said he is happy. 4. He happy said. Correct answer is 1. He said he was happy. 15. Select the proper use of to. 1. I ate much. 2. I ate too much. 3. I ate too much. 4. I eated too. Correct answer is 2. I ate too much.